Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making daddies or chin chin. Now these ones are very common in East Africa. Very soft, crunchy and tasty. Just please subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together. In a bowl, please add half cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of melted margarine, butter or blue band, your favorite, a half cup of sugar, add half a teaspoon of salt, ginger powder and cinnamon powder, and also a half teaspoon of vanilla. Now these are going to add so much flavor into our daddies and we need them to be flavorful. Some people prefer to use eggs. Please use 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of milk. Yes, so in a different bowl, sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now you want to mix this in there. Yes, so gradually add in your wet ingredients. As you can see, guys, these daddies are so nice. Now there is daddies and mummies. What's the difference between daddies and mummies? Please, if you know, inform me in the comment section below and tell me the difference between daddies and mummies. Yes, let's get back to this. So yeah, you mix it in there. Keep adding your wet ingredients gradually until you think that it's enough. Yeah, we don't want it to be too sticky. Yes, if you make yours and it becomes too sticky, please add in just a bit of flour. Don't overdo it, because at the same time we don't want it to be too hard, because if it's too hard it will be also very hard to eat. But if it's soft and not too sticky, it will be just right. Yes, so you get in there with your hands, try to knead it a bit. Yes, so oil your bowl and add the dough in there. Cover it with a kitchen towel, cling wrap, anything. Just make sure it's covered properly and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Now as you can see here, my 30 minutes are done. I check on it and it's soft, just the way I want it. Spread some flour on your working top, and you go in there, you knead it. And also try to shape it out, because now we want to cut out our sizes, the daddies, as you can see here. Yes, please make sure that you even out the dough so that we get even shapes. You don't want to get some shapes too big and then others too small. So we want it to be even, so that even cooking time they can cook evenly. They can get ready evenly. Yeah, so I'm cutting my long ones, as you can see here. You make sure that your dough doesn't go with the knife as you're cutting. And make sure you have to be gentle. Get something that's not going to really disturb you. This way is faster and easier, instead of getting one and cutting one. That's time wasting. Yes, so now I cut them into squares, as you can see. We want our shapes to be even. If they are too big, still you can reduce on the size, because we want them to be even. When they are even, they cook faster and evenly. Yes. Now guys, these are very delicious with tea time. Your kids are going to love them. Everyone is going to love them. Try them out. Very simple, just follow these steps. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends, your family. So you keep doing this to the rest until you finish everything. Remember to cut out the big ones to make them smaller. So this is how it has to look like. You can test your oil before adding in your daddies. Test it to see if it's at the right temperature, because temperature is really important. Yes. So add your dough in there. Yes, keep turning so that they cook evenly and they don't burn. That's very important. We don't want them to burn, because if they are burnt, we can't eat them. Now they are golden brown. That's exactly what we want. Now you can tell that they are crunchy right here. Okay, now after cooking them, place them on something that will drain out the oil. You can use paper towel, but here I used the rack. Now if you put them straight on the plate, our daddies will be filled with oil, and we don't want that. So please make sure you put them on a paper towel, or as you can see here, something that will help the oil drip out. Now guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, please subscribe, please share. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.